Hello, welcome to everyone in a video from this channel. So today I was showing you how to change your Google or Gmail password. So if you change your Google password, your Gmail password will be changed because your Google and Gmail password is one. So let's start. Okay, so first open your browser and search sign in Google. Okay, search here like this and just go to first link from here. Put your Gmail and your password and just go to next. So now if you see we're in this page, you can also go to this page from here. Go to manage your Google account and you will transfer in same page. So now go to personal info and go to password from here. Put your password again and go to next. And now just type your new password. And don't forget to make your password strong for your security and just go to change password. So now if you see our password has been changed. So this is the tutorial. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more tutorials. Thanks for all.